Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Good morning. I'm going to do a live training for the public at 12 today. That's noon Eastern time. And we're going to go over the sniper strategy, how easy it is, how it works for you, how you can use the bot to trade it if you like. And all of us try to do better in life. If we can get a simple little trading strategy to work for us and trade for just a little bit and then go about our lives, it makes everything a lot easier. So how do you get registered for this? You go to my website. Go to spymoneyllc.com. You scroll down here and you can either click this right here, just copy and paste it, or you can click this right here, register here. This will take you to the sign in. Once you get there, you get signed in and just join at noon. Be ready. I start at exactly noon, so if you get there late, you missed it. I do record these for our members in the lease, but I do not record these for the public. So if you want to know more about it, you have to attend. We will be doing another one at 8 p.m. tonight. I'm going to do several of them this week, probably noon and 8 daily. We had a lot of people join on our broadcast Sunday night. It did very well. Getting some new people in here, getting it to where everybody can make some money, take a little piece out of that institutional pie, as we call it. We like to go in there and take some of their money instead of them taking our money. So for years, most people, whenever they trade, they give back and they don't pull money out of their accounts. And I'm going to show you how you can pull money out of your account by trading with a good strategy. So just go in here. If you want to learn more about the lease program, you can click here and it will open up and tell you more about it. We now give $300 off the first month. That helps you get money in your trading account. You can trade micros with that $300. So getting your account open, and we want you making money day one. If you can learn the strategy, learn the program, which is actually pretty simple to use, you can get everything set up in one day and be making money often the same day. Sometimes it takes people a little longer, but sometimes it's the same day. So let's get you started. Come in, learn what all of this is and how we use it. Right now the bot is up $300 running one contract, so it only needs one more trade in order to make the daily goal. 50% is what we're looking for. So we got a $1,000 trade, we're looking to make $500 a day. Get 2 trades, you're done. That's all we're looking for. But if you have any questions, you can always send me a message on the contact. If you know that you want this already, just follow the instructions right here, which is read through these 14 items. If you're in agreement, then just copy this and go up to the contact us. When you go up here, you're going to put in your first name, last name, email, phone number, and then you're going to paste that little binding contract that we have. If you don't agree to it, don't send this. Once you submit this, then I'll look over your email, make sure everything lines up with what we're looking for, and also get you a link to get signed up. You can sign up before the meeting. You don't have to wait. So if you've already attended our meetings, then you probably want to go ahead and get started anyway. If not, noon today is what we're going to do. You can also send me, if you have any questions about anything, just send it right here on the contact page. It does come to me. I get all of those, so I don't filter anything out. I get all the emails. If you have any questions, let me know. We also have funded accounts here, and you can click one of these 3 here, is the ones that we recommend. Most people are using the Take Profit. You can get 5 accounts with that. You have to use Rhythmic and do not use the Tradeify. You have to use Rhythmic. But get those and get set up, and we can get you started today. Learn how to use this. I think today's probably going to be a low volume day like it was yesterday, but hey, there's some moves here. One person actually made, let me look here, he made, I don't want to say, here it is, I'll show it to you. So this one right here, he ended up making $5,400, and he did a one and done. Now he put in some contracts behind it, and he let it run, and he made that money right here is where he made the money. One contract. This right here was a valid entry, and you could have made $2,500 per contract. This right here was a valid signal. So that was the one that we have had that's been good at night. We had a loser in here. So right here was a loser, and then we picked up the winner right here. So we're at, or maybe it was, no, we didn't get this one. It was this one right here. This was the second winner. So we had one loser and two winners, so that puts us at $300. There's not been any more trades. But if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully I'll see you at noon today. Everybody have a great day.